If you're going to use coconut oil on your lips or cuticles, pour it into a little dish, and then I like to paint it on with a little brush, or just dab it on your lips. If you have dry skin like I do in the winter, try coconut oil. It has amazing moisturizing properties, and you can use it anywhere. You can use it on your hair, your skin, your lips, your cuticles, anywhere that your skin is dry. Coconut oil also has antifungal and antimicrobial properties, which is really great for the winter time if your skin gets cracked. You don't want to get any infections into those little cracks. If you're going to use coconut oil on your lips or cuticles, pour it into a little dish, and then I like to paint it on with a little brush, or just dab it on your lips. Try a hair mask once a week with coconut oil. Just comb it through your hair, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then shampoo, and you're gonna have silky smooth strands. Try putting coconut oil on nightly after a bath or a shower when your skin is most receptive to moisturizer. And then after about a week of doing this nightly, you're gonna have amazing, soft skin. So give coconut oil a try. It's a fantastic, all-purpose, great way to moisturize your skin all year round.